Hello everyone. As you know, writing is one of the most challenging aspects of learning English, and many of us can find it hard to improve our writing skills. So today, I want to introduce you to one of the most effective ways to make our writing easier. And the tool I use today is the graphic organizer. So, have you ever used any mind maps diagram or something like that before? If yes, you can find the essay outline today quite familiar, but if you haven't used any form of graphic organizer before, I will show you now, so don't worry. And today we will look into the opinion essays. So this is one of the most basic form of essays you will meet when you write. And before I go into detail of graphic organizers for this essay, I will introduce something about opinion essays. An opinion essay is a genre of writing which requires our opinion on a topic. And to write an opinion essay, we have to write 5 paragraphs in which we have the first paragraph of introduction, and the next 3 paragraphs will show the support ideas for the thesis we make in the introduction, and the last one is always the conclusion. And here are some examples of opinion essays. So, I will choose a topic for our writing assignment today. It is about distracted driving. So when we mention distracted driving, we have a lot of ideas. You can write it down on a piece of paper. However, how easy will you use the note like this in your writing? Of course, it's not, because it's not organized. So, when we write this journal writing, I will show you how to make it easier by using essay outline. So the essay outline, including the topic of the essays. So you have the first 3 blocks to show the main idea of a topic, like the name of topic and what sentence you use to get attention from your reader, and then the thesis statement, which show your main point, your opinion of the topic, and for the next 3 points, it will show your reasoning to support your thesis. And in each point, you also have the smaller, the more detailed support ideas and example to clarify each point of your writing. And these points are equal of importance. And the last paragraph is the conclusion. Now, I will show you how to use this essay outline. So the topic of the writing assignment is distracted driving. And the introduction, we have the attention getter and thesis. And here, we have the attention getter and the thesis for distracted driving. The thesis here is there should be some education for distracted driver. So you have the main idea of the whole essay. And in each point of the body part, we have 3 main points to support why there should be some education for distracted driver. We have irresponsible, inexperienced, and life-destroying. And after and in each point, you will have smaller, more detailed ideas to support your point, and you will give some example if possible. And remember, these three main points are equal of importance, and you will arrange it in the level. Like the first point is the most important one. The point 2 is important but less important than the point number 1. The point number 3 is important as well, but it's less important than the point 1 and point 2. And after you write down on this point, you will come to the conclusion. You will summing up all the idea you have, what you have explained to support your thesis, and then you will state your final opinion. So now we have just learned how to write an outline. Now I want you to start writing an outline to identify your ideas, and then you will use your outline to write an essay. I hope the organizers is useful for you when you write an essay. Thank you.